Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review the Everest turmeric powder. So guys, today we are going to look at the turmeric powder here available from a popular masala brand in India, which is Everest. And today we are going to review the Everest turmeric powder. So guys, starting off with the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged in a nice plastic pouch here, and the background is blackish brown in color. And right here you can see the Everest branding on top. Then the name of the product is turmeric, farm fresh golden yellow turmeric powder it is, and here's the pure vegetarian symbol. Here's the illustration of the turmeric powder, which looks nice and yellow and golden in color. Moving to the back of the pack, again we see the Everest branding here, Everest turmeric written here. Here it's in Urdu written. Here they are again the nutritional facts of the turmeric powder right here. The ingredients is nothing but turmeric because it's turmeric powder. This pack contains farm fresh turmeric powder that has a golden yellow color, carefully created turmeric, hygienically ground and scientifically packed to retain its freshness, and golden yellow color. No artificial colors are used. Coming to the net weight of this packet, this is a 200 gram pack, and the MRP of the same is rupees 62. Guys, the shelf life of this is 1 year from packaging, so it has a 1 year shelf life, which is very good, like 12 months of shelf life that they provide, which is quite good. It is produced in India, and yeah, that's all the information available on the pack, guys. This turmeric from Everest is available in your local supermarkets, and it's also available online on Amazon. If you guys are looking to buy it online, I'll have the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. Now coming to the quality of this turmeric, I feel it is very nice. It has very fine powder. It is, and I have been using it for quite some time now, and I really like the quality that is provided through the Everest turmeric. It gives a nice yellow color to the food that you add it to. Also, there are a lot of health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is known to be a natural healer of wounds and stuff. Even if you get a cut or something, or you hurt yourself, apply turmeric, it will definitely help heal faster. Coming to the culinary uses of turmeric, turmeric is very versatile and has been used in many food items, and it is an amazing spice to have at home. So I have been using the Everest turmeric for quite some time now, and I feel the quality and the color of the Everest turmeric is much better to the food. It enhances the taste of the food, unlike any other turmeric which is available in the market. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.